Welcome back to Digital Minds. This is part 2 of our overthinking series. Last time we asked the big question, why do we overthink? Today, let's step inside the brain and see what actually happens when we can't stop thinking. When you are stuck in loops of thoughts, your brain isn't idle, it's in overdrive. Neuroscientists say overthinking lights up the areas like the prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for planning and decision making. That sounds useful, but when it doesn't switch off, the brain gets stuck in analyze paralyze. Meanwhile, the amygdala, the emotional center of brain, pumps a signal of fear and worry. So your logic and your emotions start fighting each other. Here's the tricky part. Overthinking releases cholesterol, the stress hormone. In small doses, it sharpens focus, but too much of it makes you anxious, restless, and even physically tired. That's why overthinking feels not just mentally heavy but physically draining. Your brain has limited energy every day. When you burn it all on what ifs, and should I have said that, you drain the energy before you have done anything real. This is called decision fatigue. The more choices and thoughts your brain cycles through, the harder it becomes to make even simple decisions. Ever wonder why you feel mentally done? Even without doing much. That's your brain on overthinking. Long-term overthinking can affect sleep because your brain doesn't know how to power down. Memory because your working memory gets overloaded. Creativity because your brain is too busy surviving, not exploring. It's like keeping 50 tabs open in your browser. Everything slows down. So when we overthink, it isn't just in our heads, it's in our biology, changing how our brain functions, how our body feels, and even how much energy we have for life. In part 3, we shall shift from understanding to actions. How do we break cycle of overthinking? Practical strategies backed up psychology that actually works. You have been listening to Digital Minds. Until next time, close some of those mental tabs and give your brain a little peace.